So many of you have been asking when this video is happening, and today's going to be the day. These have been sitting in the shed for probably a good year so far. They'll go in behind here, so when you do like an aftermarket wheel, this will still reach comfortably instead of having to do like the hand aerobics. As much as the black is going to be nice and subtle on here, that's not the vibe we're going for on this setup. So I think I'm going to try and find this yellow again, and that's going to be what sits up behind here. So we'll paint it, take that stuff off, chuck these in, chuck it all back together, and it should be an alright video. Just excuse the old car boot, that's from my old Mini, kind of doing a little strip down and restore on it. If you want to see videos of it, I will leave the link for that channel in the description. 240 sandpaper, give it a light scuff, make sure it's all nice and scratched up so the paint's got something to grip on. Wax and grease remover, get rid of all the fingerprints, and then we got our paint to hit it with. Ideally, if you've got somewhere a bit nicer to put them, I would suggest putting them there, not on a dusty wooden skate jump. 10 points for anyone who can guess what manifold that's for. Ooh. That is why you always do a test spray. That nozzle is disgusting. So it's kind of getting a little bit dark up here, but everything is all installed. We've got a Lamborghini Murcielago here to help us out with just seeing how these feel, seeing how they go. It's definitely an improvement on having to try and reach around to the shorter paddle. One thing that I did notice with this particular wheel, because it's not as it's not as much of a deep dish as what you can get. These are made for a deep dish wheel, so they kind of like sat up a little too high, and they were like bumping up against the rim. So I just had to like bend them back a little bit. But the other thing as well is because they're longer, your actual shift throw is a lot longer as well. But if you've got the deeper dish wheel, then they'll be fine the way they are. But they feel pretty good. Like, I've managed to bend them to the right point where they come up just underneath the wheel when you change without actually hitting. But yeah, we're gonna call it there. That's gonna be it for this one. I'm gonna go and enjoy this thing, enjoy the car for a little bit. Just getting used to figuring out where I'm gonna position my hands for this, and I hope I see you guys in the next videos. Until then, Subway signing out.